The number of domestic abuse calls to gardaí has soared by 45% in the past 4 years, with more than 65,000 incidents reported last year. It means that a domestic incident report was made to gardaí on average every 8 minutes nationwide in 2024. An analysis of figures by the Irish Independent also shows that Garda divisions in Dublin had both the highest and lowest rate of calls per capita last year. Justice Minister Jim O'Callaghan described any increase in reports of domestic violence as deeply concerning, but added that significant work has been undertaken to encourage more victims to come forward. An analysis of the figures shows that the DMR North Central Division was the busiest area for domestic abuse calls last year, with 21.7 calls received per 1,000 people. The lowest per capita rate in the country was also in Dublin, the DMR East Division, which covers areas such as Blackrock, Dundrummond and Leary, and averaged just 8.5 domestic abuse calls per 1,000 people. The second lowest rate was in Kerry with 9.2 calls per capita, followed by Cork, which had a rate of 9.7 domestic abuse calls last year per capita.